Hey guys, what's up today? I'm back with my video. This time I'm back for my first vlog. We'll do a little firework vlog. And here we go with the fireworks.
Guys, hey guys! Hey!
Whoa, look at them!
Come here, Chris.
Can I light some?
Come here. Glove on. Put the glove on. Right there. I want you to hold this
My
thing.
god, dudes. Oh no.
Keep it up in the air.
Alright, we'll have to keep this up.
Hold it. Don't aim it at anything except up in the air. Hold it up in the air. Oh, right there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Four. Alright, Dom, your turn.
Can I tap a glove and aim it in air, okay?
Yeah, I know. Alright.
No, but he's just
Dom.
trying to tell you.
Dom. Get it in there. Dom, now I'm gonna hit this.
Hey, give it to Dom.
Dom, hold it up in the air and don't move it, okay? Okay? Hold it and don't move it. I hold it for you.
Okay, go up on the deck.
Chris, go up on the deck with this. Wait, never mind.
Okay.
Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Know any better, so don't.
Oh, it's not that. No, never mind.
I got some.
Little screenshots.
Yeah, I got some.
Screenshots for my vlog.
I got this some sauce. Yeah, and some.
Oh crap, bros. It's getting intense. Now it's going.
2, 3,
4, 5. Oh crap. 6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10. I got it all at the same time. Mom, come on, it's fun. What? Oh.
Chris? Chris, we don't play around.
Just
The opportunity. Hold it straight in the air.
show you right now with the key. We gotta run, boys. We gotta run.
want to do it because she's
Turn around.
Woof. 2, 3,
4,
4,
5,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See that all perfect timing.
Pause that. No, I can't. Stop recording it. Oh, Judy actually guessed it right.
I
said,
don't stop. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7,
Job.
8,
Tom.
9,
Robert.
10.
Ecclesiastes.
Song of Solomon. Stank. Oh. Going? Alright, guys, this is fucking intense right now. Alright, let's go.
Go, Bubba.
Upload this to YouTube.
Oh
You get out the way.
yeah. Not forget to.
Fire in the hole.
Oh, Dad.
One. Down.
Fire.
Grenada.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God.